The process began 2 years ago with a bid from the DOE in which NJIT gave them a design and they accepted. There were 45 universities originally who put in a design bid and 20 were selected.
Well, ours is the first house to use completely structural concrete. So the walls, the flooring, and the roof are all precast concrete panels. And so no other team's ever done that for this competition. So that's really what makes us stand out the most. Most other houses you can see are in wood or they're sheet metal, but we did everything in concrete. So they're all precast panels. So it's 3 inches of concrete, 6 inches of insulation, and another 3 inches of concrete.
And the reason we chose precast concrete is because it's thermal inertia. It allows for the sun to penetrate into the concrete during the winter and heat it up, and then release that heat at night. And then in the summer, the sun is higher and we have our roof that's calibrated carefully to block that summer sun. So when the concrete remains in the shade, it remains cool and also allows us to reduce our use of mechanical systems and lowers our energy. We have our roof. As you can see, it's kind of weird. We call it an inverted hip shape. If you were to take a normal hip roof on a house and just flip it upside down. And that's for several reasons. One of the main reasons is because we have a north-facing site. Our north side of the roof is facing this way and our panels are mounted flush with it. So we're not angling our panels at certain angles. We're actually mounting them flush to the roof because the roof is designed at the optimal angle. And another reason why we have this roof shape like this is to collect rainwater. Rainwater collection is not part of the competition, but we feel that it's also very important to do so, and we hope maybe in the future the Solar Decathlon will develop a rainwater collection competition as well.
There's an architecture award, there's an affordability award, there's an engineering award, there's also net metering, so are we producing as much power as we consume? There's marketability award. Do people want to live in this house? So for example, we could build a really affordable house that wasn't of architectural interest, or we could build a really marketable house that had lousy energy systems in it. So we kind of had our area of focus that we thought was most important, and this is the product of bringing all of those facets together.
Well, we feel very confident about how we're doing, because if you look around, we really have an innovative design. It's completely different from anything else that you've ever seen before. We're the first precast concrete house ever at the competition, so we've definitely turned a lot of heads and gotten a lot of attention.